This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites. You need level 12, a touch token, and a saved game. Once done, gear the light shoes or the +5 agility accessory. This reduces timing windows and prevents misses. Make your way to Berry Avenue's Park Plaza at night. The glowing pavement tile marks the spot. Approach the tile and press interact. A short cutscene triggers the only way trial. From here, immediately observe the first pattern prompts that appear above the tile. You now focus on the complex middle steps. The touch dance sequence uses rhythm prompts. Press A, B, C within roughly 0.5-second windows. Pay attention to both visual cues like flash color and arrow direction and audio beats. Combining both increases accuracy. Once a multi-step pattern appears, commit. Slow, deliberate inputs beat random tapping. If you struggle, lower controller sensitivity or remap keys to reach comfortable positions. Keep steady breathing. Consistency and timing raises. You finish by executing the final flourish. After the last prompt, hold interact for about 1-2 seconds to lock the touch dance. Once complete, open your emotes menu and confirm the touch dance. Only way slot is populated. If you miss, don't panic. Restart the sequence immediately and note which prompt gave trouble. If failures persist after 3 attempts, reload the area or clear cached assets. This resolves sync glitches and restores proper timing cues, so you can retry successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.